Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dagny. Today, well, first off, I just want to say I hope everybody is safe, happy, healthy. And we're going to do Boxycharm today. This one is a premium box. I'm super excited. If you don't know what Boxycharm Premium is, it is a monthly subscription, beauty, skincare, sometimes tools. I believe it is $35 in the States, but with shipping and stuff for Canada, I pay about $55. I will leave a link below just in case you're curious and want to check it out if you haven't already. But yeah, I'm super excited for this box. I have seen spoilers everywhere and I cannot wait to get into it. So let's do this. So this is what it looks like when you open it. They always have like this cushion thing. It's great. I love it. Oh, I'm so excited. Look, you guys. I see some great stuff and I had to sing it out apparently. So we have the card and same thing as the base. It's Fresh Start, which is the theme for the box. And then on the back it tells me the prices and all my products. I will refer to that for you. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna pull out today is this stupid fluffs because it's driving me nuts. Actually, it's the Fenty Beauty. This was my choice item. This is what I chose, and I got the Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Setting Powder in the shade Butter. I am so freaking excited. I love this one. I have a small one in my makeup stash that I use. Woo! I'm dropping everything. Let's check it out if I can get it open. I got it. Woo! Oh my goodness, this thing is huge. What is that? Oh, it comes with a plastic thing separate? I'm confused. I've never seen that before. Oh, it comes with an extra plastic thing. Excuse me, I have a hair. It's driving me crazy. It has a plastic thing, but it comes with an extra one? Never seen that. Why do they do that? If you know why, let me know in the comments. But I'm super excited. It is the light shade. I don't want to open it because I don't want to use it yet. But like, look at the size of this. This is huge. This is going to last like forever. I'm super pumped about it. I'm glad I chose that item. And that one is worth, oh my goodness, with my hair is just falling out everywhere. Fenty Beauty. $32. Not bad. I can't remember what I paid for the, but that's also USD. But I can't remember what I paid for the other one. Maybe close to that, I thought. At least. Doesn't matter. Anyway. Alright, on to the next item. I'm super duper excited about this. We have pink everywhere. Why is there pink all over it? Weird. Okay, this is the new Ofra palette. I'm going to refer to the pamphlet to tell you about it, but it says, manifest good to glow looks every time in this mini full face palette of warm shimmers, fresh neutrals, featuring Ofra's best-selling highlighter. All of the lights in this lightweight, magnetic, interchangeable palette is the perfect add-on to pop in your makeup bag. Oh my god, it's so cute. And just check out the colors. Ooh, we got shake, that's what's happening. Okay. Oh, it's a smile. You're beautiful. And then these are the gorgeous colors. We got in the middle all the highlights, like the popular highlights, and then bronzer and a blush, and then some eyeshadow shades. I am so pumped. I cannot wait to check this out. I'm definitely going to be trying it soon. I want to swatch this green. Oh, look at this green. I'm like obsessed with green. Oh, not enough. Okay, this pink comes out very light. That's okay. It's buildable. But I'm super pumped to have this palette. I believe it is like brand new to Ofra too. And we got it, everybody in the Boxycharm Premium who has Boxycharm Premium, I do believe got this palette. So it was super, I don't know, I'm super excited to have it. All right, this one, did I say? It's worth $39. All right, on to the next item that I'm super excited about. This box this month is amazing. I'm absolutely, I don't even know the right word. Thrilled about this month's box. It's got some great products in here. But this is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask. I believe I tried a sample of this and I liked it. Hopefully this is the one I'm thinking of. But either way, I'm going to try it again. I hear it's a great mask and I'm super excited. It says, upgrade your skin to a business class complexion no matter what time your red eye gets in or what time your head hits the pillow. Used as a nightly mask, daytime moisturizer, or in-flight lifesavers, this multitasker's nourishing vitamins, ceramicides, and antioxidants leave skin instantly renewed, radiant, and ready for anything. And I'm super pumped to try this out. Thank you, Boxy, for putting it in our box. All right, and that one is worth, what did it say? Where'd it go? $48. Alright. Woo, we still have 3 more products. I'm super excited. Okay, the next item I have in my hands, it is PMD silverpure, silver infused microfiber makeup removing cloth. Antibacterial, ultra soft and reusable. Oh, so maybe it's like the makeup eraser. Eraser. Sorry. Eraser. Okay, let's check it out. I do have the PMD face brush. Is that what it's called? I can't remember. So I'm super pumped to try this one out. I love makeup erasers. I have so many of them, and this one feels really nice too, just like the original makeup eraser. A little bit different shape, and this one's got a little cute hangy thing. I really like that, so I'm super excited to try that out. And this one is worth, holy, $30 just for this cloth. That's crazy. Okay, better be worth the $30, eh? Alright, next product. What? You guys, we got another Fenty product. This is crazy. This is the Full Frontal Volume Lift Curl Mascara. Actually, you know what? One sec. Okay, I thought I had a sample size. I'm pretty sure I did. I can't find it. I did try and like this mascara. So I'm super excited to have a full size. Oh, yes, I loved the wand on this. Like, thin. It's very thin like this, and then it fans out like that. You know what I mean. It's a great mascara to have, and I'm super pumped that it's in this month's box. But yeah, we got 2 Fenty products. Amazing. So this one is worth $24. Not bad for a mascara. And now we are on to the last product, which I am actually super pumped to have because I have tried and used this before and I liked it. It is the LashesMD Eyelash Eyebrow Conditioner. It's a lash serum that promotes fuller, stronger, healthier lashes and brows. Our signature eyelash conditioner nourishing formula specifically designed to help eyelash growth and support strong lashes. Yes, I have tried this before. Oh, is it upside down? It's upside down, my bad. I believe I got it, I think I got it in a FabFitFun box. I'm pretty sure. It's cute. It's amazing stuff. I loved it. This one is worth $69.95. That is crazy. So that's everything in this month's box. Let me go ahead and add this up for you. Alright, so it is $242.95. That is the total of this month's box. So exciting. Great box. Great products. Like, yes, it's worth a lot, but I'm more happy about the fact that there is so many great products in this month's box. Like, I'm super pumped. Super pumped for each and every one of these. And thank you, Boxy, for having such a great premium box this month. I think it was good last month too. I'm pretty sure I loved it. I can't even remember. It's been so long. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.